Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences.
Are you facing weak Wi-Fi signals at home? In this video, I will explain the complete manual setup process of the first Wave AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. You will learn how to connect to the extender network, access the configuration page, select your router network, and finish the setup in just a few minutes. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to improve their Wi-Fi coverage and remove dead zones in their home or office network. Watch the full video for a complete setup guide. Firstly, take your first Wave AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender. Plug it into a wall power outlet near your main router, important for first setup. Turn on the extender if there is a power switch. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the device to fully boot. Power LED should become solid. Wi-Fi/WLAN LED will start blinking. This means the extender is ready for setup. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your device. Look for the default extender network name. It may appear as firstwave_ext. Click the network and connect to it. Usually no password is required for the first connection. Once connected, your device is now linked to the extender. After connecting, open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari. In the address bar, type one of these setup addresses, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. The first Wave extender login page will appear. A login screen will appear asking for username and password. Most devices use these default login details. The username and password is admin. If it asks for only a password, then enter admin, click login. You will now enter the extender setup dashboard.
After logging in, select repeater mode. The extender will scan nearby Wi-Fi networks automatically. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs. Select your home Wi-Fi network, the one from your router. Type in your router's Wi-Fi password carefully. Keep the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, makes devices connect automatically. Set a new name, e.g., home Wi-Fi_ext, helps you identify the extended network easily. Click Save or Apply. The extender will take 30 to 60 seconds to reboot and apply the settings. Once rebooted, it will automatically connect to your router. On your phone/PC, open Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to the extended Wi-Fi network, same name as your router or the new name you set. Enter your Wi-Fi password, same as your main routers.
For the best performance, place the extender between the router and weak signal area. Avoid thick walls and metal objects. Make sure the extender still receives at least 50 to 70% signal from the router. Now setup is complete.
I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our technical expert at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such these informative videos.